We're gonna make a winter citrus cake. It's gonna be a lemon batter with a caramelized orange top. And that top is actually gonna be on the bottom because this is an upside down cake. Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals. Okay, I've got a blood orange, I've got a navel orange, I've got a cara orange. You can use whatever oranges you can find. Doesn't matter, but if there's a variety, I say mix it up because it looks more aesthetically pleasing. So I'm gonna try to cut these into like relatively thin rounds here. Reason being, all this pith, we're gonna be eating this, which is okay. You can eat pith, but if it's too thick, it becomes not great. So the thinner you can cut it, the better. And that way it can caramelize and shrink down and later in the future. Very good. Okay, what will ultimately be the top of this cake, which is gonna be the bottom now, is gonna be this caramelized citrus thing. So let's make that happen. We are gonna put butter in a pan with sugar and 3 packets of honey from the packet drawer. Mix that around. All right, this takes 2 minutes. Very nice. So now we pour this into a sheet, and then we can go like this and just make sure that it's everywhere. Just move it all around. Now we decorate. Let's put some oranges. This sugary butter syrup is gonna caramelize the citrus. They're all gonna work together really, really well. It's gonna make this amazing. It's just gonna make it amazing. So this is the bottom. It's gonna become the top, but now we're gonna make the batter to cement all this in here, and then we can flip it. We're gonna start with the dry ingredients. We get our flour, cornmeal, baking powder, baking soda, salt. Combine this all together. Beautiful. Let's do the wets. Sugar, brown sugar, butter. We're breaking it up with the end of a wooden spoon here. Then you switch. Yep, this came together nicely. Okay, great. Cream together. Time to add some eggs. Some vanilla extract. Oh yeah. Now we gotta get the citrus flavor in there. This is where we put the zest. To give this zest even more punch, we're gonna juice the lemons as well. Now, we're gonna combine the dry with the wet. We're gonna add a little bit of dry, about 1/3 of it, something like that, okay? We're gonna mix it in. We're gonna add half of our milk now, and that's just gonna help the homogeny here. And now we'll come in with 1/3 more flour. Rest of the milk coming in. Oh yeah. Okay, the rest of our dry. All right, so remember, this is our bottom, and here comes our top. No, that's our top underneath. It's our bottom now. Okay, spread it out. Very nice. That's it. So let's throw this into the oven. Our cake's out. It's been cooling for 15 minutes. Now's the big moment. I'm gonna take the plate. We're gonna go like this. And then the upside down becomes the right side up. Really? Amazing. Now I'm gonna let this cool completely until I slice into it, because that way it'll stay together. Here we go. All right. Beautiful. This costs 77 cents a serving. Anything under $1 is like, whew. And look at it. It's lights out. It's gorgeous. This is very good. I like it. When I eat cake, I often feel bogged down, just like the mood that I have in the winter. This is moist and delicious, and it's also bright because of the citrus.